to talk a little bit about the smoke today. And as is the case with most of their caliper releases, TruFire has the full back design, which I love. Gets it out of your way from the gear and everything else. You can keep it like that, climbing up. You're not clinging on the stands or anything else. One of the things I like about the smoke is the forward trigger. It makes it much easier to take a deep bite and get a smoother release. You never want to release from this position because you'll end up jerking the shot. From back here, it's much smoother, gives you a better release. It's a dime-sized head, and of course, it's that small dual caliper. Love this new release. One note I might add when it comes to caliper releases, you can set it up in the summer, get it to the length where it's comfortable to where you have a consistent squeeze every time. However, when you go hunting, don't forget you're going to add a glove to that, and then all of a sudden the position changes. So just before the season, if you hunt with gloves on, make sure you readjust the overall length to accommodate that glove. That's the new smoke from TruFire. Love it.
The Scott Little Goose has been tried, tested, and proven by bow hunters across the globe for decades. Yes, I said across the globe and decades. The secret to Scott's Little Goose success and longevity and popularity is very simple. Rugged ingenuity that works simply and effectively. The knurled trigger is adjustable in travel, and the solid swivel connector allows the body of the release to swivel 360 degrees with 5 different length settings, so you can find that perfect length for your trigger finger. The Little Goose's leather buckle strap is extremely comfortable, and all Scott Archery products are proudly made in the USA.
The TRUGLO Activator release, the new jaw-and-a-half design, locks on like a dual jaw, but with the smooth release of a single jaw. The BOA closure system allows you to dial in for glove-like fit that gives you all-day comfort. Completely adjustable yoke length, trigger weight, and trigger travel. Lock the release head out of the way and stay ready by keeping the release on with a rock-solid connection system. The Activator release from TRUGLO.
Hi, I'm Chris at Spot Hogg Archery Products. I'm going to introduce to you the Wiseguy releases. We have 3 versions of the Wiseguy. We have the Velcro strap with a rigid connection, we have a leather strap with a rigid connection, and we have a leather strap with a floating nylon connection. Each release offers trigger tension adjustment and is right and left hand adjustable. Let's take a look at the Velcro wrist strap model. Insert the Velcro strap into the ring and tighten to your comfort. An added benefit of the Velcro model is it works well with people who have smaller wrists. Note that you can fold back the release head while you're climbing into and out of your stand or traveling to and from your hunting area. This feature frees up your hand from obstruction. This is the Wiseguy with a leather buckle with a rigid connection. We have this version for those who want to get more consistent fit on their wrist. It still has the same right and left hand adjustment as the Velcro strap and also the same fold back feature. Our last Wiseguy release model has a leather buckle with a floating nylon connection. This release has the same leather wrist strap, however it allows you to have a much shorter or longer range of connection between the wrist strap and the head of the release. To learn more about the Wiseguy releases,